Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the iPhone not ringing issue on your iPhone device. So I'm going to get stuck straight into this video, and the first thing that I recommend you try is actually to go ahead and look for the silent switch on the side of your iPhone device. So this is of course the most obvious fix, but even myself, I really do forget about this quite often. So if this is on silent, this will be seen as a little orange slit just on the side of the iPhone, and that just indicates that your entire iPhone is now on the silent mode. So you just want to go ahead and flick this up, and this will go ahead and turn the silent mode off. So this means you'll now be able to hear phone calls as well. And additionally, you just want to go ahead and get the buttons and turn this up, and you just want to make sure that this is on loud as well. And as an additional step to this, you just want to go into your settings, and then you want to go to sound and haptics. And in here, you actually have the ringer and alerts, and then you also have the ability to change this with buttons. So actually, if I go ahead and put this all the way down the silent, this is actually the ringer tone for my iPhone. However, if I go back to the home screen of my iPhone and I go ahead and toggle up, you can see that my volume is on the maximum. But if I am to receive a phone call, the actual ringer sound will be very, very low, and I most likely won't be able to hear it. So you want to go back into settings, and you want to slide this all the way up to the top. And then you also want to ensure that the change with buttons is turned on as well. So this will allow you to change the ringer and the sound on the iPhone all with one go as well. Or alternatively, you can just leave this turned up and then you can turn this off. So this will allow you to individually change the sound on your iPhone for such thing as videos, music, and the list pretty much goes on. However, when someone rings you, this is an individual kind of maximum sound that you can set up. So now I can go ahead and adjust the volume on my iPhone for sounds and music and videos. However, if I go back into settings, the ringer is on the maximum as well. So this is a really awesome trick on how you can pretty much instantly fix the iPhone sound not ringing issue. However, if you're still finding this is an issue with your iPhone device, the next thing you want to do is just to go ahead and restart your iPhone. So if you have the iPhone 7 or above, you can simply restart your iPhone by pressing the volume up, the volume down very quickly, and then pressing the side lock button. So I'll just go ahead and do that now. And I'll just keep pressing, and if I go ahead and press this for another 5 to 10 seconds, it will go ahead and power down my iPhone device, and then after around 30 seconds, it will go ahead and restart. And just as a side note, you will not lose any data or apps or photos on your iPhone. This is just a really good trick on, pretty much restarting the device and just removing any temporary glitches that may be occurring, just like when you restart a computer. And another couple of tricks you can try if those still haven't worked, you can go into the settings, go back to the home, and then you just want to go up to Bluetooth. And you just want to make sure that your iPhone is not connected to any other Bluetooth devices, as it actually may be putting the ringer sound through maybe some AirPods, a Bluetooth speaker, or even your car as well. So you just want to go ahead and disconnect from any devices, or alternatively, you can just go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off as well. So for an extra tip, if the ringer is still not working on your iPhone device, you actually want to go ahead and get a pair of headphones that you may have lying around. And what you actually want to do is go ahead and insert them into the headphone jack or the lightning charging port. And you just want to kind of take them out, insert them in, and then you just want to repeat this step several times, as sometimes the iPhone can actually think that it's on headphone mode. So all these sounds, including the ringer, will actually go through the headphones that aren't there, instead of actually through the earpiece and the speaker. And for an additional step, you can actually go ahead and clean the charging port and the headphone jack on your iPhone device, as again, the iPhone can sometimes think that there is headphones connected, and it actually won't put any volume through the speaker when you get receive calls. So you can easily go ahead and clean the charging port and the headphone jack with something like a toothpick, and you can just go ahead and dislodge any dirt that may be in there, and you can go ahead and get a toothbrush as well and you'll actually be surprised as to how much dirt actually may be built up there, especially if you have your iPhone in your jeans or in a backpack. A lot of lint and dirt can actually build up, and this can actually trick the iPhone into thinking you have headphones on, and it won't put any volume through the ringer. So there you have it, guys. That's a few simple tips and tricks on how you can hopefully get the iPhone ringer to work again. If any of these have worked for you, or if you've come up with your own solution, please share it down below in the comments section, as you'll be helping thousands of other iPhone users out there. So again, hopefully this quick video has helped you, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.